He, Unlimited Clean Solutions. Located in the golden hinterland of the junction between Guangzhou and Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China, a state-recognized high-tech innovator specializing in bespoke cleaning systems and advanced ultrasonic engineering, Foshan He Ultrasonic Equipment Company Limited is leading the evolution of the cleaning machinery industry. He has remained committed to precision engineering and professional manufacturing. Our R&D team pioneers new applications in industrial ultrasonic technology. With superior production processes and uncompromising quality management control, He has earned industry-wide accreditation through proven excellence. Our ISO 9001 QS 9000 compliant quality management system embodies comprehensive process integrity through scientific methodology and rigorous control protocols. In addition, we deliver a comprehensive integrated service package, including machine design, manufacturing, turnkey logistics, installation, commissioning, maintenance, routine care, upgrades and smart retrofitting, forging 360 degrees, worry-free technical partnerships for users. Our core products include input vibrating type, single tank type, multi-tank type, water-based solvent type, mesh belt conveyor type, overhead chain-driven integration type, vertical lift and automatic translating type, drum rotating type, heavy-duty gantry type, full automatic robotic arm type ultrasonic cleaning machines, industrial RO pure water equipment, high-pressure water spray cleaning machines, wastewater treatment equipment, etc. Various semi-automatic and fully automatic cleaning systems as well as customized non-standard automation equipment to support diverse industrial applications. Over the past 15 years since its establishment, He has achieved more than 50 granted utility and inventions patents and multiple industry honors. These accolades not only validate our technical prowess in advanced surface treatment but also serve as catalysts for continuous innovation. Guided by our operational credo, quality primacy, customer centricity, service excellence, relentless innovation, we are strategically enhancing core competencies. Where precision meets passion, your last stand fits here. Experience zero-compromise cleanliness with custom-engineered solutions. Every industry deserves a pristine revolution.